Are you ready to pass your Maine Insurance Licensing Exam? We've prepared 100 questions for you. Let's begin. Which type of life insurance policy allows for flexibility in premium payments and death benefits? A. Traditional whole life. B. Market-sensitive life. C. Term life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is B. Market-sensitive life. Market-sensitive life insurance policies offer flexibility in premium payments and death benefits, allowing policyholders to adjust their coverage as needed. What feature distinguishes traditional whole life insurance from other types of policies? A. Adjustable premiums. B. Investment component. C. Lifelong coverage. D. Temporary coverage. The correct answer is C. Lifelong coverage. Traditional whole life insurance provides lifelong coverage, ensuring that the policyholder is covered for their entire life. What does the term rider refer to in an insurance policy? A. A provision that cancels the policy. B. A discount on premiums. C. An amendment or addition that modifies the policy's coverage or terms. D. A clause that extends the policy term. The correct answer is C. An amendment or addition that modifies the policy's coverage or terms. A rider is an amendment or addition to an insurance policy that modifies the coverage or terms, often providing additional benefits. What type of insurance provides coverage to a group of people under a single master policy, usually offered by an employer or organization? A. Disability income. B. Group insurance. C. Individual group, long-term care, LTC. D. Other policies. The correct answer is B. Group insurance. Group insurance is a type of insurance that covers a group of people, such as employees of a company or members of an organization, under a single master policy. Why is the initial premium payment important in the underwriting process? A. It determines the agent's commission. B. It confirms the policy's effective date. C. It calculates the premium amount. D. It speeds up the policy issuance. The correct answer is B. It confirms the policy's effective date. The initial premium payment is important because it confirms the policy's effective date, ensuring that coverage begins as agreed upon in the policy. Which type of life insurance policy might have premiums that vary based on market performance? A. Term life. B. Traditional whole life. C. Interest-sensitive life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is C. Interest-sensitive life. Interest-sensitive life insurance policies have premiums that can vary based on the performance of the market or the insurer's investment portfolio. What is the primary purpose of the incontestability clause in an insurance policy? A. To provide a discount on premiums. B. To extend the policy term without additional charges. C. To protect the insurer from fraudulent claims. D. To limit the insurer's ability to contest the validity of the policy after a certain period. The correct answer is D. To limit the insurer's ability to contest the validity of the policy after a certain period. The incontestability clause limits the insurer's ability to contest the validity of the policy after a specified period, typically 2 years, except in cases of fraud. Medicare Part C is also known as A. Prescription drug plan. B. Medicare Advantage. C. Hospital insurance. D. Medigap. The correct answer is B. Medicare Advantage. Medicare Part C is also known as Medicare Advantage, which is an alternative way to receive Medicare benefits through private insurance plans. Which of the following is not a factor in determining Medicaid eligibility? A. B. Income level. C. Employment status. D. Disability status. The correct answer is C. Employment status. Employment status is not a factor in determining Medicaid eligibility. Eligibility is primarily based on income level, age, disability status, and other factors. What is the purpose of a guaranteed insurability rider? A. To increase the policy's death benefit without evidence of insurability. B. To guarantee a fixed premium rate. C. To provide coverage for pre-existing conditions. D. To ensure automatic renewal of the policy. The correct answer is A. To increase the policy's death benefit without evidence of insurability. A guaranteed insurability rider allows the policyholder to increase the death benefit amount without having to provide evidence of insurability, such as undergoing a medical exam. What is the main reason agents must explain HIPAA privacy information to clients? A. To comply with state regulations. B. To ensure clients understand their rights under HIPAA. C. To avoid legal liability. D. To provide a better customer experience. The correct answer is B. To ensure clients understand their rights under HIPAA. Agents must explain HIPAA privacy information to clients to ensure they understand their rights regarding the privacy and security of their health information. What is the purpose of the grace period provision in an insurance policy? A. To allow the insurer to change policy terms. B. To provide a discount on premiums. C. To extend the policy term without additional charges. D. To give the policyholder extra time to pay overdue premiums without lapsing the policy. The correct answer is D. To give the policyholder extra time to pay overdue premiums without lapsing the policy. The grace period provision allows the policyholder a specified period, typically 30 days, to pay an overdue premium without causing the policy to lapse. What is a characteristic of a life settlement? A. It is an agreement to cancel a life insurance policy. B. It involves selling a life insurance policy for its cash value. C. It is a type of retirement plan. D. It involves selling a life insurance policy to a third party for more than its cash value. The correct answer is D. It involves selling a life insurance policy to a third party for more than its cash value. In a life settlement, the policyholder sells their life insurance policy to a third party for an amount greater than the cash value but less than the death benefit. Which of the following is a characteristic of a non-cancelable policy? A. The insurer can cancel the policy at any time. B. The policyholder can cancel the policy at any time. C. The insurer cannot cancel the policy or increase premiums. D. The policy automatically renews every year. The correct answer is C. The insurer cannot cancel the policy or increase premiums. A non-cancelable policy guarantees that the insurer cannot cancel the policy or increase premiums as long as the policyholder continues to pay the premiums. What is the primary purpose of Social Security benefits? A. To provide educational grants. B. To fund healthcare research. C. To provide financial support to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors. D. To cover prescription drug costs. The correct answer is C. To provide financial support to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors. Social Security benefits are designed to provide financial support to retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors of deceased workers. Which of the following riders provides financial support to the policyholder in case of a critical illness? A. Accidental death benefit rider. B. Critical illness rider. C. Waiver of premium rider. D. Guaranteed insurability rider. The correct answer is B. Critical illness rider. The critical illness rider provides a lump sum benefit to the policyholder if diagnosed with a specified critical illness. Who is generally eligible for Medicaid? A. Only individuals over 65 years old. B. Low-income individuals and families. C. All U.S. citizens. D. Only employed individuals. The correct answer is B. Low-income individuals and families. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program that provides health coverage to low-income individuals and families. In insurance contracts, what does the principle of utmost good faith imply? A. Both parties must disclose all relevant facts fully and honestly. B. The insurer must always provide the lowest possible premium. C. The insured must always accept the insurer's first offer. D. Both parties must share the same religious beliefs. The correct answer is A. Both parties must disclose all relevant facts fully and honestly. The principle of utmost good faith, uberrima fides, in insurance contracts implies that both the insurer and the insured must disclose all relevant facts fully and honestly to avoid misrepresentation or concealment. Which insurance policy is designed to pay a lump sum to beneficiaries in the event of the policyholder's accidental death or dismemberment? A. Disability income. B. Accidental death and dismemberment. C. Medical expense insurance. D. Medicare supplement policies. The correct answer is B. Accidental death and dismemberment. Accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D insurance, provides a benefit in case of the policyholder's accidental death or if they suffer a severe injury that results in dismemberment. Which of the following is not a typical policy provision? A. Grace period. B. Incontestability clause. C. Automatic premium loan provision. D. Unlimited coverage provision. The correct answer is D. Unlimited coverage provision. While grace period, incontestability clause, and automatic premium loan provision are common policy provisions, unlimited coverage provision is not a standard term used in the insurance industry. What is a key feature of term life insurance? A. Cash value accumulation. B. Adjustable premiums. C. Lifetime coverage. D. Temporary coverage. The correct answer is D. Temporary coverage. Term life insurance provides temporary coverage for a specific period, without any cash value accumulation. What is the main purpose of submitting an application to the company for underwriting? A. To determine the agent's commission. B. To calculate the premium amount. C. To assess the risk and determine insurability. D. To issue the policy quickly. The correct answer is C. To assess the risk and determine insurability. The main purpose of submitting an application for underwriting is to assess the risk associated with the applicant and determine their insurability based on the underwriting guidelines. Which type of policy is typically used for short-term coverage needs? A. Traditional whole life. B. Adjustable life. C. Term life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is C. Term life. Term life insurance is often used for short-term coverage needs, such as covering a mortgage or providing financial protection during the working years. What is a characteristic of combination plans in life insurance? A. They provide income during retirement. B. They offer flexibility in coverage options. C. They have fixed premiums. D. They expire after a term. The correct answer is B. They offer flexibility in coverage options. Combination plans offer flexibility in coverage options by combining features of different types of life insurance policies. What is a viatical settlement? A. Selling a life insurance policy to a third party for more than its cash value, but less than its death benefit. B. A settlement between the insured and the insurer to increase the death benefit. C. An agreement to transfer the policy ownership back to the insured. D. A legal arrangement to change the beneficiary of the policy. The correct answer is A. Selling a life insurance policy to a third party for more than its cash value but less than its death benefit. A viatical settlement involves selling a life insurance policy to a third party for an amount that is less than the death benefit but more than the cash value, typically when the insured is terminally ill. What is a unique feature of adjustable life insurance policies? A. Fixed premiums. B. No cash value component. C. Ability to adjust coverage and premiums. D. Guaranteed interest rate. The correct answer is C. Ability to adjust coverage and premiums. Adjustable life insurance policies Allow policyholders to adjust the coverage amount and premiums, providing flexibility to meet changing needs. What is a policy exclusion? A. An endorsement that adds coverage. B. A provision that extends the policy term. C. A clause that specifies situations where coverage is not provided. D. A rider that increases the premium. The correct answer is C. A clause that specifies situations where coverage is not provided. Policy exclusions are clauses in an insurance policy that specify the circumstances or conditions under which coverage is not provided. What is an endorsement in the context of an insurance policy? A. A celebrity's approval of the policy. B. A change or addition to the terms of the policy. C. A signature confirming receipt of the policy. D. An advertisement for the policy. The correct answer is B. A change or addition to the terms of the policy. An endorsement in an insurance policy is a change or addition to the terms of the policy, which can modify coverage or other conditions. What is the purpose of a conversion provision in a term life insurance policy? A. To allow the policyholder to convert the policy into a whole life policy without evidence of insurability. B. To convert the policy's cash value into an annuity. C. To change the beneficiary without consent. D. To convert the premium payments from monthly to annual. The correct answer is A. To allow the policyholder to convert the policy into a whole life policy without evidence of insurability. A conversion provision allows the policyholder to convert a term life insurance policy into a permanent policy, such as whole life insurance, without having to provide evidence of insurability. What is the primary goal of explaining the policy to clients? A. To determine the premium amount. B. To ensure clients understand their coverage and policy provisions. C. To calculate the agent's commission. D. To comply with state regulations. The correct answer is B. To ensure clients understand their coverage and policy provisions. The primary goal of explaining the policy to clients is to ensure they understand their coverage, policy provisions, and any exclusions or limitations. What is the primary purpose of completing an insurance application accurately? A. To ensure the policy is issued quickly. B. To provide a legal record of the information provided by the applicant. C. To determine the agent's commission. D. To calculate the premium amount. The correct answer is B. To provide a legal record of the information provided by the applicant. The insurance application serves as a legal record of the information provided by the applicant, which is used to assess risk and determine insurability. What is the primary purpose of group life insurance? A. To provide investment options. B. To offer individual coverage to each member. C. To provide a tax shelter. D. To offer life insurance coverage to a group of people at a reduced cost per member. The correct answer is D. To offer life insurance coverage to a group of people at a reduced cost per member. Group life insurance is designed to provide coverage to a group of individuals, such as employees of a company, at a lower cost per person than individual policies. What type of insurance product is designed to provide income during retirement? A. Term life. B. Whole life. C. Universal life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is D. Annuities. Annuities are financial products that provide a stream of income, typically during retirement, in exchange for an initial investment. What is the primary purpose of an annuity? A. To provide a death benefit. B. To accumulate cash value. C. To provide income during retirement. D. To offer temporary coverage. The correct answer is C. To provide income during retirement. Annuities are primarily used to provide a steady stream of income during retirement, ensuring financial stability. What age must you typically be to qualify for full Social Security retirement benefits? A. 55. B. 60. C. 67, for those born in 1960 or later. D. 70. The correct answer is C. 67, for those born in 1960 or later. The full retirement age for Social Security benefits is 67 for individuals born in 1960 or later. What is the primary purpose of life insurance needs analysis? A. To determine the appropriate type of life insurance policy. B. To calculate the amount of life insurance coverage needed to meet an individual's financial goals. C. To analyze the performance of a life insurance policy. D. To assess the tax implications of a life insurance policy. The correct answer is B. To calculate the amount of life insurance coverage needed to meet an individual's financial goals. Life insurance needs analysis is used to determine the amount of coverage necessary to meet the financial needs of the insured's dependents. Which insurance is specifically designed to supplement Medicare coverage by covering some costs not paid by Medicare? A. Disability income. B. Accidental death and dismemberment. C. Medical expense insurance. D. Medicare supplement policies. The correct answer is D. Medicare supplement policies. Medicare supplement policies, also known as Medigap, are designed to fill the gaps in Medicare coverage by covering additional costs that Medicare does not pay. What is the primary purpose of a policy provision? A. To reduce the insurer's liability. B. To outline the rights and obligations of the policyholder and insurer. C. To increase the policy's premiums. D. To limit the policy's coverage. The correct answer is B. To outline the rights and obligations of the policyholder and insurer. Policy provisions are clauses in an insurance contract that outline the rights, obligations, and responsibilities of both the policyholder and the insurer. Which insurance policy is designed to cover the costs associated with long-term care, such as nursing home care or in-home care? A. Disability income insurance. B. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance. C. Long-term care insurance. D. Critical illness insurance. The correct answer is C. Long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance specifically covers the costs of long-term care services, which can include nursing home care, assisted living, and in-home care. What type of insurance helps cover the costs of medical care, such as doctor visits, hospital stays, and surgeries? A. Disability income. B. Accidental death and dismemberment. C. Medical expense insurance. D. Medicare supplement policies. The correct answer is C. Medical expense insurance. Medical expense insurance is designed to cover the costs associated with medical care, including treatments, surgeries, and hospital stays. Which of the following is a common exclusion in life insurance policies? A. Death due to natural causes. B. Death occurring during policy renewal. C. Suicide within the first 2 years of the policy. D. Death resulting from a covered accident. The correct answer is C. Suicide within the first 2 years of the policy. Most life insurance policies have a suicide exclusion clause, which typically states that if the insured commits suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, the death benefit will not be paid. Which rider allows the insured to purchase additional coverage without evidence of insurability? A. Accidental death benefit rider. B. Waiver of premium rider. C. Guaranteed insurability rider. D. Payor rider. The correct answer is C. Guaranteed insurability rider. The guaranteed insurability rider allows the insured to purchase additional coverage at specified future dates or life events without the need to provide evidence of insurability. Which policy is specifically designed to provide financial protection in the event of a critical illness or condition, such as cancer or heart attack? A. Disability income insurance. B. Critical illness insurance. C. Long-term care insurance. D. Term life insurance. The correct answer is B. Critical illness insurance. Critical illness insurance provides a lump sum benefit to the insured upon diagnosis of a specified critical illness or condition. Which of the following provisions allows the policyholder to renew the policy without evidence of insurability? A. Incontestability clause. B. Guaranteed renewability provision. C. Entire contract clause. D. Free look period. The correct answer is B. Guaranteed renewability provision. The guaranteed renewability provision allows the policyholder to renew the policy at the end of its term without having to provide evidence of insurability. What is the role of the underwriter in the application process? A. To calculate the agent's commission. B. To issue the policy quickly. C. To assess the risk and determine the premium. D. To provide customer service. The correct answer is C. To assess the risk and determine the premium. The underwriter's role in the application process is to assess the risk associated with the applicant and determine the appropriate premium for the coverage requested. What does Medicare Part A primarily cover? A. Prescription drugs. B. Outpatient services. C. Hospital insurance. D. Health maintenance organizations. The correct answer is C. Hospital insurance. Medicare Part A is primarily known as hospital insurance and covers inpatient hospital care, skilled nursing facility care, hospice care, and some home health care. What is the primary purpose of the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, in insurance? A. To increase premiums. B. To protect the privacy of health information. C. To standardize insurance policies. D. To regulate agent commissions. The correct answer is B. To protect the privacy of health information. The primary purpose of HIPAA in insurance is to protect the privacy and security of individuals' health information and ensure that it is handled appropriately. Which insurance policy offers both a death benefit and a cash value component that grows over time? A. Term life insurance. B. Whole life insurance. C. Disability income insurance. D. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance. The correct answer is B. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that offers a death benefit and a cash value component that accumulates over time. What is the purpose of the free look period in an insurance policy? A. To allow the insurer to change the terms of the policy. B. To provide the insured with a period to review and return the policy for a full refund if desired. C. To enable the insured to change their coverage limits. D. To give the insured time to memorize the policy details. The correct answer is B. To provide the insured with a period to review and return the policy for a full refund if desired. The free look period is a provision in insurance policies that allows the insured to review the policy and return it for a full refund within a specified period if they are not satisfied with the coverage. What does the waiver of premium rider in an insurance policy provide? A. A discount on premiums. B. An extension of the policy term. C. Coverage for accidental death. D. Waiver of premiums if the insured becomes disabled. The correct answer is D. Waiver of premiums if the insured becomes disabled. The waiver of premium rider ensures that the policy remains in force without the need for premium payments if the insured becomes disabled. What type of insurance policy provides a death benefit to the beneficiaries upon the insured's death, regardless of when it occurs? A. Term life insurance. B. Whole life insurance. C. Disability income insurance. D. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance. The correct answer is B. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides a death benefit to the beneficiaries regardless of when the insured dies. What type of policy provides a death benefit only if the insured dies within a specified term? A. Whole life insurance. B. Term life insurance. C. Universal life insurance. D. Variable life insurance. The correct answer is B. Term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specified term, and the death benefit is paid only if the insured dies within that term. What is a key feature of Social Security benefits? A. They are available only to individuals over the age of 65. B. They are funded entirely by the federal government. C. They provide retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. D. They are based solely on the individual's income. The correct answer is C. They provide retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. Social Security benefits include retirement, disability, and survivor benefits, providing financial support to eligible individuals and their families. Why is it important for agents to deliver policies personally when possible? A. To ensure the policy is in force. B. To provide a better customer experience. C. To explain the policy provisions and answer any questions. D. To calculate the premium amount. The correct answer is C. To explain the policy provisions and answer any questions. Personal delivery of policies allows agents to explain the policy provisions, answer any questions, and ensure the client understands their coverage. What is the main difference between a viatical settlement and a life settlement? A. The age of the policyholder. B. The health condition of the insured. Viatical settlements involve terminally or chronically ill insureds, while life settlements do not. C. The amount paid to the policyholder. D. The type of life insurance policy being sold. The correct answer is B. The health condition of the insured. Viatical settlements involve terminally or chronically ill insureds, while life settlements do not. The key difference is the health condition of the insured. Viatical settlements are for terminally or chronically ill individuals, while life settlements are not based on health condition. What is an accidental death benefit rider? A. A provision that covers death due to illness. B. A rider that provides a refund of premiums. C. A rider that doubles the death benefit if death is accidental. D. A clause that excludes accidental death from coverage. The correct answer is C. A rider that doubles the death benefit if death is accidental. An accidental death benefit rider provides an additional death benefit, often equal to the policy's face amount, if the insured's death is the result of an accident. What is the main concern when replacing an existing insurance policy? A. To calculate the premium amount. B. To determine the agent's commission. C. To ensure the new policy provides equal or better coverage. D. To comply with state regulations. The correct answer is C. To ensure the new policy provides equal or better coverage. When replacing an existing policy, the main concern is to ensure that the new policy provides equal or better coverage to protect the client's interests. What is a common feature of group life insurance? A. It is usually more expensive than individual life insurance. B. It requires a medical exam for each member. C. It provides coverage to a group of people under a single policy. D. It offers a cash value component. The correct answer is C. It provides coverage to a group of people under a single policy. Group life insurance covers multiple individuals under one policy, often provided by an employer or association. What is the primary function of an incontestability clause in a life insurance policy? A. To allow the insurer to contest the policy after a certain period. B. To prevent the insurer from contesting the validity of the policy after a specified period, usually 2 years. C. To ensure that the policy remains incontestable forever. D. To allow the policyholder to contest premium increases. The correct answer is B. To prevent the insurer from contesting the validity of the policy after a specified period, usually 2 years. The incontestability clause prevents the insurer from contesting the validity of the policy after it has been in force for a specified period, typically 2 years, except in cases of fraud. What is third-party ownership of a life insurance policy? A. When the insured is also the policy owner. B. When the beneficiary owns the policy. C. When a person or entity other than the insured owns the policy. D. When the government owns the policy. The correct answer is C. When a person or entity other than the insured owns the policy. Third-party ownership occurs when someone other than the insured, such as a trust or a business, owns the life insurance policy. Which type of life insurance policy has a cash value component that can be affected by market conditions? A. Term life. B. Traditional whole life. C. Interest-sensitive life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is C. Interest-sensitive life. Interest-sensitive life insurance policies have a cash value component that can fluctuate based on market conditions, offering the potential for higher returns. Medicare Part B covers A. Inpatient hospital care. B. Outpatient medical services. C. Prescription drugs. D. Long-term care. The correct answer is B. Outpatient medical services. Medicare Part B covers outpatient medical services, such as doctor visits, preventive services, and medical equipment. Which of the following factors is typically not considered during the underwriting process? A. The applicant's age. B. The applicant's medical history. C. The applicant's favorite TV show. D. The applicant's occupation. The correct answer is C. The applicant's favorite TV show. The applicant's favorite TV show is typically not a factor considered during the underwriting process, as it is not relevant to assessing their risk profile. Which type of policy combines features of both term and whole life insurance? A. Combination plans. B. Annuities. C. Term life. D. Adjustable life. The correct answer is A. Combination plans. Combination plans incorporate elements of both term and whole life insurance, offering flexibility and varying levels of coverage. Medicaid coverage can vary from state to state because A. Each state has the flexibility to design its own program within federal guidelines. B. The federal government dictates all program details. C. Private insurance companies manage Medicaid differently in each state. D. States have no role in Medicaid. The correct answer is A. Each state has the flexibility to design its own program within federal guidelines. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program, and each state has the flexibility to design its own program within federal guidelines, leading to variations in coverage. What is the significance of providing a receipt for the initial premium payment? A. To confirm the policy is in force. B. To provide proof of payment. C. To determine the premium amount. D. To calculate the agent's commission. The correct answer is B. To provide proof of payment. Providing a receipt for the initial premium payment serves as proof of payment and helps establish the effective date of the policy. What does Medicare Part B not cover? A. Doctor visits. B. Preventive services. C. Long-term care. D. Ambulance services. The correct answer is C. Long-term care. Medicare Part B covers outpatient medical services, but does not cover long-term care, such as extended stays in nursing homes. Which rider ensures that premiums are waived if the policyholder becomes unemployed? A. Waiver of premium rider. B. Unemployment waiver rider. C. Guaranteed insurability rider. D. Accidental death benefit rider. The correct answer is B. Unemployment waiver rider. The unemployment waiver rider waives the premium payments for a specified period if the policyholder becomes unemployed. What happens if an applicant provides false information on an insurance application? A. The premium amount is recalculated. B. The policy is issued with limited coverage. C. The application is processed more quickly. D. The policy may be voided or rescinded. The correct answer is D. The policy may be voided or rescinded. Providing false information on an insurance application is considered a breach of the principle of utmost good faith and can lead to the policy being voided or rescinded. Which type of policy allows the policyholder to adjust the death benefit and premiums based on changing needs? A. Term life. B. Traditional whole life. C. Adjustable life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is C. Adjustable life. Adjustable life insurance allows policyholders to adjust the death benefit, premiums, and other aspects of the policy as their needs change. Which of the following is not a common type of policy rider? A. Waiver of premium rider. B. Guaranteed insurability rider. C. Cash value rider. D. Accidental death benefit rider. The correct answer is D. Accidental death benefit rider. While waiver of premium, guaranteed insurability, and cash value riders are common types of policy riders, cash value rider is not a standard term used in the insurance industry. What type of life insurance policy offers lifelong coverage and includes a savings component? A. Term life. B. Traditional whole life. C. Interest-sensitive life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is B. Traditional whole life. Traditional whole life insurance provides lifelong coverage and includes a cash value component that grows over time. In the context of insurance, what is the principle of utmost good faith, uberrima fides? A. The insurer must always provide the lowest premium. B. The insured must disclose all relevant information. C. The agent is responsible for all claims. D. The policy must cover all risks. The correct answer is B. The insured must disclose all relevant information. The principle of utmost good faith, uberrima fides, requires that both parties to an insurance contract, the insurer and the insured, act with honesty and transparency, disclosing all relevant information. Which of the following riders provides additional coverage for accidental death? A. Guaranteed insurability rider. B. Accidental death benefit rider. C. Waiver of premium rider. D. Payer rider. The correct answer is B. Accidental death benefit rider. The accidental death benefit rider provides an additional sum to the beneficiary if the insured's death is the result of an accident. What is the term used to describe the process of classifying applicants based on their risk levels? A. Risk classification. B. Risky business. C. Risk avoidance. D. Risky analysis. The correct answer is A. Risk classification. Risk classification is the term used to describe the process of categorizing applicants based on their risk levels, which helps in determining appropriate premiums and coverage. Social Security retirement benefits are calculated based on A. The number of years worked. B. The age of retirement. C. The average of a worker's 35 highest earning years. D. The worker's last year's salary. The correct answer is C. The average of a worker's 35 highest earning years. Social Security retirement benefits are calculated based on the average of a worker's 35 highest earning years, adjusted for inflation. When is an insurance policy considered delivered? A. When the policy is mailed to the insured. B. When the insured receives the policy and any necessary amendments. C. When the underwriter approves the policy. D. When the application is completed. The correct answer is B. When the insured receives the policy and any necessary amendments. An insurance policy is considered delivered when the insured receives the policy and any necessary amendments, as this marks the formal commencement of coverage. What is the main role of an underwriter in the insurance process? A. To sell insurance policies. B. To evaluate risks and decide on the terms of coverage. C. To process claims. D. To provide customer service. The correct answer is B. To evaluate risks and decide on the terms of coverage. The main role of an underwriter is to evaluate the risks associated with insuring an individual or entity and to decide on the terms of coverage, including the premium and coverage limits. The Social Security program is primarily funded by A. Sales taxes, B. Payroll taxes, C. Income taxes, D. Property taxes. The correct answer is B. Payroll taxes. The Social Security program is primarily funded by payroll taxes collected from employees and employers. What type of insurance provides financial support in case of loss of income due to a disability? A. Accidental death and dismemberment. B. Medical expense insurance. C. Medicare supplement policies. D. Disability income. The correct answer is D. Disability income. Disability income insurance is specifically designed to replace a portion of the policyholder's income if they become disabled and unable to work. What type of insurance is designed to provide coverage for expenses not covered by traditional health insurance, such as co-payments and deductibles? A. Supplemental health insurance. B. Disability income insurance. C. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance. D. Term life insurance. The correct answer is A. Supplemental health insurance. Supplemental health insurance is designed to cover additional expenses that are not covered by a primary health insurance policy, such as co-payments, deductibles, and other out-of-pocket costs. What is the significance of the applicant's signature on an insurance application? A. It indicates the applicant's favorite color. B. It signifies the applicant's agreement to the terms and provides consent for underwriting. C. It confirms the applicant's shoe size. D. It is only for decorative purposes. The correct answer is B. It signifies the applicant's agreement to the terms and provides consent for underwriting. The applicant's signature on an insurance application signifies their agreement to the terms of the policy and provides consent for the insurer to proceed with underwriting. What does a long-term care rider typically provide? A. Coverage for terminal illness. B. Benefits for long-term care expenses such as nursing home care. C. A waiver of premium payments. D. An increase in cash value. The correct answer is B. Benefits for long-term care expenses such as nursing home care. A long-term care rider provides benefits to help cover the costs of long-term care services, such as nursing home or assisted living expenses. Which part of Medicare covers prescription drugs? A. Part A. B. Part B. C. Part C. D. Part D. The correct answer is D. Part D. Medicare Part D is the part of Medicare that provides coverage for prescription drugs. What type of life insurance policy provides coverage for a specific period and then expires? A. Traditional whole life. B. Interest-sensitive life. C. Term life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is C. Term life. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, term, after which the policy expires if the insured is still alive. When completing an insurance application, what is the primary purpose of gathering information about the applicant? A. To determine the applicant's favorite color. B. To assess the applicant's financial status. C. To evaluate the applicant's insurability. D. To determine the applicant's shoe size. The correct answer is C. To evaluate the applicant's insurability. The primary purpose of gathering information during the application process is to evaluate the applicant's insurability, which involves assessing their risk factors and determining the appropriate premium and coverage. Which type of policy is designed to provide a fixed income stream for a specified period or for life? A. Term life. B. Whole life. C. Universal life. D. Annuities. The correct answer is D. Annuities. Annuities are designed to provide a fixed income stream, either for a specified period or for the lifetime of the annuitant. What is a key feature of retirement plans? A. They provide a fixed income for life. B. They offer tax advantages for saving for retirement. C. They guarantee a return on investment. D. They require a medical exam. The correct answer is B. They offer tax advantages for saving for retirement. Retirement plans often offer tax benefits, such as tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals, to encourage saving for retirement. What type of insurance policy provides coverage for specific events or accidents while traveling? A. Travel insurance. B. Disability income insurance. C. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance. D. Health insurance. The correct answer is A. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is designed to cover various risks and financial losses that can occur while traveling, such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Medicaid is funded by A. Only the federal government. B. Only state governments. C. Both the federal and state governments. D. Private insurance companies. The correct answer is C. Both the federal and state governments. Medicaid is jointly funded by the federal and state governments. Which of the following is a type of retirement plan? A. Whole life insurance. B. Term life insurance. C. 401(k). D. Universal life insurance. The correct answer is C. 401(k). A 401(k) is a popular type of retirement savings plan offered by many employers in the United States. What is a common practice during policy delivery to ensure client understanding? A. Providing a summary of the policy. B. Offering a discount on the premium. C. Assigning a new agent. D. Requesting immediate feedback. The correct answer is A. Providing a summary of the policy. Providing a summary of the policy during delivery is a common practice to help clients understand the key provisions, coverage, and any exclusions or limitations. Which group is not automatically eligible for Medicaid? A. Low-income pregnant women. B. Children in low-income families. C. College students. D. Individuals with disabilities. The correct answer is C. College students. College students are not automatically eligible for Medicaid. Eligibility is based on factors like income level, family size, and disability status. What is recommended for those looking to earn a Maine insurance license to increase their chances of passing the licensing exam? A. Completing pre-licensing education. B. Taking a driving course. C. Passing an interview. D. Participating in a marathon. The correct answer is A. Completing pre-licensing education. Completing pre-licensing education is recommended to improve the chances of passing the licensing exam. What is the exam provider for the Maine licensing exam? A. Maine Department of Professional and Financial Regulation. B. Pearson VUE. C. Kaplan. D. Nipper. The correct answer is B. Pearson VUE. Pearson VUE is the exam provider for the Maine licensing exam, as indicated in the provided information. What does the state of Maine recommend regarding enrolling in a study course for insurance licensing? A. It is optional. B. It is mandatory. C. It is discouraged. D. It is highly recommended. The correct answer is D. It is highly recommended. Although not required, the state of Maine highly recommends enrolling in a study course for insurance licensing. Where can applicants find exam information and schedule their Maine licensing exam? A. Maine Department of Professional and Financial Regulation. B. Pearson VUE website. C. Kaplan website. D. NIPR website. The correct answer is B. Pearson VUE website. Applicants can find exam information and schedule their Maine licensing exam on the Pearson VUE website, as provided in the details. After passing the state licensing exam, what is the next step for individuals seeking a Maine insurance license? A. Wait for approval. B. Apply for a driver's license. C. Apply for an insurance license. D. Enroll in more courses. The correct answer is C. Apply for an insurance license. The next step after passing the state licensing exam is to apply for a Maine insurance license based on the outlined process. Where can individuals find information, rules, requirements, and FAQs for applying for a Maine insurance license? A. Maine Department of Professional and Financial Regulation. B. Pearson VUE website. C. Kaplan website. D. NIPR website. The correct answer is D. NIPR website. Individuals can find information, rules, requirements, and FAQs for applying for a Maine insurance license on the NIPR website, as specified. Which agency oversees insurance licensing in the state of Maine? A. Maine Department of Licensing. B. Maine Department of Insurance. C. Maine Regulatory Authority. D. Maine Financial Bureau. The correct answer is B. Maine Department of Insurance. The Maine Department of Insurance oversees insurance licensing in the state of Maine, based on the provided background information. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Remember to subscribe for more free content, and best of luck on your insurance licensing exam.